हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम यू वंस अगेन ऑन योर यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश टाइकून। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज की वीडियो में मैं डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ आपसे क्लास 12th का सिलेबस, जो करंट सिलेबस है। एज यू हैव सीन दैट CBSE हैव डिक्लेयर्ड इज प्लानिंग टू कंडक्ट योर एग्जाम बाय फ्रॉम 15th November and to 15th December. So exam is going to conduct from 15th November to between before 15 December. So you have to be ready. Those who are in class 12 CBSE, उन सबको ready हो जाना है, because this is the only time you have for your preparations. 20 days in this month, around 15 days in this month you have, and around 10 days in the next month for your term 1 exam. So for doing the best in your exam in the subject of English, you must know your syllabus first, because it has been noted that there are many students, those who are still having doubt about their current syllabus. What is the syllabus and what would be the pattern of the exam? So let's discuss all the things here, and definitely within a few minutes your all doubts regarding English subjects will be solved, and after that you have no doubt. So let's start. Discuss करते हैं. सबसे पहले I am going to tell you what is the syllabus. I will tell you the syllabus first. What is the syllabus of your term 1, term 2? Because you should not have any doubt regarding your syllabus, because if you have a doubt, you are not able to prepare proper way, or it might that by mistake you prepare the chapter which is going to come in the term 2nd instead of term 1. So you should be clear about your term 1 syllabus, not only of English subjects but also other subjects. So you should go through that. I will be uploading the syllabus of each and every subjects on this channel for you all, and you can get all the detail from here. And even if you have any doubt, you can ask me. So let's start. See, in English, you are in English class 12 CBSE, you are having two books, that is Hornbill and Snapshot, and these two books are containing the poems as well as the stories, which is given by CBSE in your syllabus. So let's see the syllabus. So I will be explaining you in term wise. मैं आपको term wise बताऊंगा. First term 1 we will discuss, and after that term 2. Both are here. So I have kept both side by side so that you can get a clear vision of the marking also, of the topics also in each term, term 1 and term 2. Clear? So let's start. See, in term 1, like previous year paper, you are having same. Your paper will be divided into 3 sections. Section 1, that is reading and comprehension section. Section 2, that is writing skill and the grammar section, and 3rd is the literature section. This is the same pattern as last year. Pattern is same, paper pattern is same, content will be same, but the question format, question pattern will be different. चलिए देखते हैं. Reading comprehension will contain 2 comprehension. Previous year or before 2 years, the paper was having two passage, the big one, but this time you are going to have a little smaller one with MCQ based question. पूरा पेपर आपका MCQ based है. आपको मिलेंगे 60 question. Out of 60 you have to attempt 40 question. There is no minus marking. Each question will have answer in the form of option. हर क्वेश्चन के नीचे एक ऑप्शन होगा 4, जिसमें से आपको करेक्ट ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करना है. ठीक. So you are going to get one comprehension, unseen passage. ठीक, ये फैक्चुअल हो सकता है, डिस्क्रिप्टिव भी हो सकता है, लिटरेरी बेस्ड भी हो सकता है. This first comprehension will give you 8 marks, means वहाँ पे 8 क्वेश्चन होंगे with option. You have to select, click, write correct option. You probably getting OMR sheet also. This time you are not going to get your answer sheet. इस बार आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर मिलेगा, and may that board planning would give you OMR sheet, जिसमें आप अपने आंसर को मार्क करेंगे ABCD ऑप्शन की हेल्प से, और बोर्ड आपकी उसी OMR sheet को चेक कर देगा. तो it would be easy for board also. So I will be telling you more things about how to attempt the paper, how to do the MCQ based question. क्योंकि कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आंसर हमें आता रहता है, and we mark the wrong answer, and when you mark wrong answer in the MCQ, there is no option for you. आप उसको रेक्टिफाई या करेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो you have to be alert. I will be giving you all the details and tips and tricks ताकि आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्कोर कर पाएँ. चलिए देखते हैं. Second will be the second comprehension. This is also a comprehension, case based. ठीक है, ये factual ये भी होगा, unseen passage, and it will also contain 6 question. तो this is of 6 and first comprehension of 8 marks, total 14 marks. Now next is section B. ये आपका राइटिंग सेक्शन है. यहाँ पे राइटिंग सेक्शन आएगा. अब सर ये क्वेश्चन है in your mind and how writing section will come if the question paper is MCQ. इसका भी आंसर है, I will be giving you. पहले आप ये सिलेबस देख लें, फिर हम बात करते हैं. देखिए राइटिंग सेक्शन शॉर्ट स्टोरी टास्क है ये, मतलब स्मॉल राइटिंग सेक्शन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है. नोटिस राइटिंग 3 मार्क्स and classified advertisement of 4 marks. Notice 3 marks. You don't have to write. You have to select the correct answer. Notice आपको दिया होगा, क्वेश्चन वहाँ पे दिया होगा, कैसे क्या करना है मैं बताता हूँ. So notice writing will be there of 3 marks and then classified advertisement ये 5 marks है. Means writing section will be of 8 marks and comprehension will be of 14 marks in the paper term 1. Next is literature section. This section will contain your extract from your poems and can be from your prose also. So you have to be alert when you are reading the books. You have to be alert with that. जब आप बुक रीड कर रहे हैं तो you have to, आपको बहुत ही केयरफुली रीड करना है कि कोई भी पैसेज पेपर सेट करने वाला बंदा पिक कर सकता है और उसको दे सकता है. It will come from the poem also, can from the chapters in story also. So you have to be alert for doing this section. Flamingo, your book, and Vista is your book. So see the Flamingo chapter, prose means story chapter. Last lesson is going to come in term 1. Lost Spring is going to come in term 1 and Deep Water is going to come in term 1. Learn it, mark it in your book. अभी भूलने का समय नहीं, please note it down. If you have still not noted, note it down, mark in your book carefully. Next, Flamingo poetry, My Mother's Day at 60, Mother's Day, Mothers at 66. This is the poem, maybe आएगा. An elementary school, classroom in slum, this is also going to come. Keeping quiet, this is also going to come. Now book Vijta, third level and the enemy. Third level and the enemy is going to come in your term 1 paper. And this will, your writing, your literature section will be of 18 marks. 11 marks Flamingo, 7 marks Vijta. So you can see that which book you have to give more focus, which one, but you have to give the focus whole book, every book, all 2 books you are having, you have to focus each and every chapter if you want to score good, if you want 40 out of 40. This time it is possible that you can get 40 out of 40 because if your MCQ answer is correct, you are going to get marks. Clear? So it's very easy for those, the paper will be very easy for those who prepared and very 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 difficult for those who will not prepare. So now you set your mind what you want to put yourself in which category. So the first term of 40 marks and 10 marks will be given on the basis of ASL and total of 50 marks. I hope this is clear. Now let's see the term 2. I have kept here ताकि आपको समझ में आए कि term 1, term 2 में क्वेश्चन क्या है और क्या क्या सेम चीजें आएंगी और क्या डिफरेंट आएंगी. So let's see. Reading comprehension as term 1 में आया था 2, उसी तरह term 2 में भी आएगा. सेम टाइप के पैसेज आएंगे, मार्क्स भी 14 होगा, MCQ बेस्ड. नेक्स्ट चलती शॉर्ट राइटिंग टास्क, फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल इन्विटेशन, कार्ड और रिपल्स टू इन्विटेशन, ये इन्विटेशन है. 8 मार्क्स. लेटर ऑफ एप्लीकेशन फॉर जॉब, letter of application for job and report. And one more thing, see there for second term there is still some doubt that that second term is going to be MCQ based or theoretical based. इसके बारे में अपडेट मैं आपको करूंगा very soon. Till now आप ये अपने दिमाग में क्लियर करेंगे. फर्स्ट टर्म इज गोइंग टू MCQ, सेकंड टर्म आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इट वुड बी. हो सकता है बोर्ड सेकंड टर्म को थ्योरेटिकल करा दे, तो बी अलर्ट, बी एक्टिव फॉर दैट. प्रिपेयर करें सारी चीज़ों को थॉरोली, दैट्स वाई. ठीक है, डोंट थिंक कि MCQ है कम पढ़ेंगे और काम हो जाएगा. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. फॉर MCQ यू हैव टू स्टडी इजी थिंग्स, इजीएस्ट थिंग आल्सो एंड द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग आल्सो, तभी आप अच्छा कर सकते हैं. शॉर्ट राइटिंग टास्क में फॉर्मल और इनफॉर्मल इन्विटेशन आएगा, रिप्लाईज, ठीक है, बेस्ट लेटर आएंगे. लॉन्ग राइटिंग लेटर ऑफ एप्लीकेशन फॉर जॉब एंड रिपोर्ट राइटिंग will come and this is of 8 marks. Literature section अभी chapter change होगा. Flamingo, the rat trap is coming in the second term. Indigo is coming in the second term. Think of Beauty and Aunt Jennifer Tiger is coming in the second term. And book Wisdom, Should Wizard Hate Mommy, this is going to come in your second term. On the face of it and Evans Style and O level, ये भी आपके सेकेंड टर्म में आएगा and this is of 18 marks. So आप देख सकते हैं मार्किंग डिवीजन सेम है. टर्म 1 में कॉम्प्रिहेंशन आपका 14 मार्क्स है, टर्म 2 में भी 14 मार्क्स. राइटिंग सेक्शन 8 मार्क्स इन टर्म 1 also, in term 2 also, and literature section also 18 marks in term 1 and in term 2 also 18 marks. So marking is almost same, and total is also 40 marks theory and 10 mark yes. And see, in term 1 you will get 50 marks and term 2 50 marks. Total out of This 100, the things, the number you will get, that will be your total marks and will be printed and will be written in your final result. So you have to be ready. आपको अगर अच्छा स्कोर करना है, if you want to score 99.99 or 99 point plus, or you want to score 100%, then you have to prepare thoroughly and deeply. There is no exception of work hard. You have to prepare everything. Or I hope now this is clear, dear students. Now still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me by giving me comment in the comment sections. I will be solving your problem as soon as I will see the comment. Thank you for watching. Good luck and goodbye. And please, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and like the channel. Thank you for watching. Good luck and goodbye.